Hello everybody! In today's video, I will present you several quick and easy heart models to be used whenever you want to fill a space with something pretty basic but appealing and beautiful. The open coil, the most basic shape, can be a great one for making a heart. So, from two of them glued together, as you can see here, you can make a cute little heart. The second model is made from a paper strip transformed into a heart scroll. This one you have already seen how it's done in one of my videos, and I will paste the specific card on the screen that will take you to the video tutorial in which you can find it. Our third model is made according to the same idea as the previous one, the difference being that I will use two separate swirls as the two halves of our heart. The fourth heart is also made with swirls, but of a different model. It has a classier look, but it also takes more time to make. Now would be a good time to tell you that I'm also going to have a big swirls tutorial soon. The fifth is about the same, only funkier, because the two sides are not symmetrical or identical anymore. The sixth model is made from these two eccentric teardrops with the comb attached one next to each other. It gives our heart a clean aspect since the distance between the lines is identical. Check my top 15 quilling shapes tutorial to learn how to make the teardrop if you don't already know. I made it in two different sizes for you to get a better look at the outcome. The seventh model has at its base two bent circle teardrops. Again, check that tutorial I made on the basic shapes if you feel you need a refresher. The eighth model is made from two identical comb shapes, namely two C-wraps glued together. The C-wrap will give it a unique look, but the walls of the shape will be thicker, so keep that in mind. For the ninth model, I chose two eccentric teardrops again, only this time I arranged them in a different way. I shaped each one of them as a half of a heart, using my needle and my fingers. Hold your fingers on them for a few seconds when you join them, while the glue is drying out. The 10th model, and the last one, is made from a single loose coil. Gather the middle in one point on the edge with your tweezers, press a little to flatten your shape, then take your needle or something thin to push the middle inside again, holding the rest of the shape tightly. While you are pushing, don't go till the end, just half of the distance, then let your shape loose. It will end up with a little vortex pattern. That's it. Hope you like my heart models. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like, and drop me a comment down below if you know how to make other quilling hearts. My hearts are made from well-known shapes, some of them basic, some of them a little more complex, but overall, if you want to create a heart, you don't need to make something complicated to get a nice result. That's why today's video is more for giving you ideas and drive home the fact that you can always use simple shapes to create items and models that maybe are not so commonly seen, but that can give a particular and unique aspect to your work. There might be 100 different other ways of making a quilling heart, But the ones I presented here will surely be easy to make for everyone and will still look good enough to fit in your projects. Also, don't forget to keep an eye on places you can use contrasting colors to make your shapes pop. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care!